100 points higher. That's the first tick, 97 points higher on the Nifty. Very strong opening, 100 points now up on the index. The Sensex is up 337 points. But do take a look at what's happening with the Bank Nifty. Straight off the back, it's a 1% up move on the Bank Nifty. Remember, the record high for the Bank Nifty is 41,840. We're about 300 points away from that. And charging ahead this morning is SBI, 3.5% higher. But look at Britannia, 7% higher on Britannia now. Volumes are also picking up. It's clearly the stock of the moment. So Britannia and SBI are charging ahead post their numbers. You have auto stocks that are gaining quite a bit of ground. Tata Motors and M&M come out with earnings this week. Ahead of that, both those stocks are up anywhere between 1 to 1.5%. Then Eicher Motors is also looking pretty good. In fact, a lot of Tata Group stocks, not just Tata Motors, you have Tech Mahindra, Tata Steel, Tata Consumer Products, all trending in the green line this morning and supporting the index. Now the Nifty is picking up more pace, so 133 points in the green for the Nifty. What's in the red then? Not too much. Titan is just about consolidating around these 2760 levels. Dr. Reddy's Hindalco a tad bit soft. Adani Enterprises absolutely flat. But otherwise, it is a raging market right now. Not too far away from 52-week highs. And the Bank Nifty now up over 500 points.
Well, that's right. Just take a look at the PSU banks, Sonia, who are reacting. Bank of Baroda, big move out there. Canara Bank, good rub-off being seen on that one as well. We just joined by the management of Triveni Engineering. Well, that one as well has opened up with a gain of close on 5%. So clearly the street is reading that set of numbers pretty positively. Cummins, we'll have con call details that will come out later today. But for the time being, the stock has opened up with a gain of close to around 2%. On the flip side, you have Marico. Well, the numbers were muted. Mangalam told us that. I'm looking at a Jefferies note. They're saying that they need to see volume growth from here on to give some direction to the share price. That one's opened up on the back foot, down close to around 3%. Escorts, numbers weak, margins weak, losing out on market share. Stock has opened up with a cut of around 1%. Vedanta has pulled back. Remember, in Friday's trading session, there was some hopes that maybe we'll have a definitive end to this Chinese COVID policy. That didn't come about. So metal stocks, some of them have come in for some profit taking, down close to around 3%. From the broader markets, ISMT, there was news that in fact they'll be merging with the parent, that is Kirloskar Ferris. The merger ratio, however, is not beneficial to the shareholders out there. In the last 1 month or so, the stock moved from around 50 to around 60 rupees. So that explains why that stock is down close to around 16%. But Kirloskar Ferris, now they'll be consolidating their business, maybe more amount of value-added products. And since they've managed to turn this around, that one opened up, I think, mildly in the green with a gain of around 1.5%. All in all, a solid start. Monday is looking good. The bulls will be feeling pretty good.
Oh, absolutely. 18,222 on the Nifty. Just a bunch of other names. Vedanta, of course, we've already mentioned.